I got another Casio watch, and this time it's, well, if I show you the box, it is the aw80 1a2ves, and the module number is 2747. So I picked this watch up the other day on eBay. I've had it for about a week. £15, and it's got quite a few features. It's got a 30 page telememo where you can add names and telephone numbers. It's got a 24-hour countdown timer, a 24-hour stopwatch. It's got world time with 30 cities and 29 time zones. As you can see, it's got the world logo on the dial there. What a smart looking watch. Quite small, quite light. Oh, it's got 3 alarms, one with a snooze. It's got an hourly chime. So good value for money. Plus, as you can see, it's analog and digital. So let's have a look. There you can see, let's have a look at the watch first. Have a look around it. Quite slim. You got 2 buttons there, 2 on the other side. I'll go through all the functions. And you got studs there on the dial or on the bezel. This is a plastic bezel. So, and you got information on the case back there. It's also got 50 meters water resistance and a 10 years battery. So all in all, quite good value for money. So it's got the resin band with a plastic strap, a plastic buckle, which I'm not a great fan of, but it does the job. So let's have a look at the functions. So if you look at the digital window, you can see the day and the date. If you press the adjust button, it brings you to the time and the seconds. So you can toggle that between date and time just by pushing the adjust button. So on all four button Casio watches, you got the adjust button, which is button A. You got the light button, which is button B. You got the mode button there, which is button C, and the search button, which is button D. So if I take you through the modes. So the first mode, we have a 30-page telememo. Now, if you want to enter name and numbers, I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing to do is press and hold the adjust button, and you can see the icon flashing there. So now you can add digits, characters or numbers. So if you want to enter a name, you can enter up to 8 characters for a name and 16 characters for digits. So to enter a name, you can use the button D. You keep scrolling through it's all in alphabetical order. You can go forwards and backwards. So if we put something in here, now to push to for the next letter, you press the mode button, button C, and the hyphen moves. So now you can add another letter. Press the mode button again for the next letter. And again. And again. Or if you hold the button, it will fast scroll. Gone too far. There we are. Now, if I want to enter a number for the digits, you have to keep scrolling until you get to short hyphens. And now you can add a number in the same way by pushing the next number. And the next number. 2, 3, 4. And the next number. And to store it, press the adjust button. So there you see Casio scrolling across the screen. Now if you want to see the number, you press the adjust button and there's the number. So that's one memory used up. So now when we come back, it's telling you that let's go back again. There's 29 spaces left. Now if you need to delete that, you press and hold the adjust button and you see that flashing, and you press the B and D button together and you see clear, and it's cleared it. Press the adjust button again. Now that's how you do that. Next mode is the time mode. Now to set the time, you press the adjust button and you can if you press D, you can reset the seconds, and press the mode button again. That's your daylight savings time. There's your hours. So you can go forwards or backwards. And then for the minutes, same again. You can go backwards or forwards, or you can speed scroll by holding the button. And there's your year. So same again, forwards or backwards. Then you've got your month, forwards or backwards. And same with the date. And back to the seconds. Then when all that's done, you press the adjust button and it's set. Now for the hand setting. Now on some of these Casio watches, they set the digital time and the hands move to it, but I'm afraid this doesn't. So to adjust the hands, you press the mode button 6 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you see HS, which is handset. And then you push the adjust button until the digital time flashes. And now you can adjust the time by holding the button in for fast scrolling, or if you press the button like that, it moves in 20-second increments. But the only thing with the hand setting, you can only go forwards, you can't go backwards. So that's how you do that. Then when that's done, press the adjust button. So let's go into the next mode. World time. Now you've got 30 cities and 29 time zones. So you can scroll through. Don't know if you can go backwards. No, you can't go backwards. You can only go forwards. Or you can hold the button and speed scroll. So, and I think press the adjust button. Oh, DST. DST is off. That's right. That's for your DST. So you got 30 cities on there. And 29 time zones. The next mode is world time. Snooze alarm. You got 3 alarms. This is the snooze alarm. So, and you've got alarm 1, alarm 2, alarm 3, or no, signal. That's your hourly time signal. So to set that, you press the adjust button, and it says SIG there, indicating that the signal is set for the hour. Switch that off again, so you press the adjust button to do that. So to go through the alarms, you press button D. There's your snooze alarm. Now to adjust the alarm, you do exactly the same as setting the time. You press and hold the adjust button, and the hours flash there. Same again, you can speed scroll. You can go backwards, you can go forwards, and to set the minutes, same again, forwards, backwards, and when you set it to what you want, press the adjust button, and the alarm is set. So. And the snooze alarm, I believe, goes off 7 times every 5 minutes. So if you missed it, it's tough luck. And you've also got, if you push, press and hold button D, it does the alarm test. I don't know if you can hear it or no. Actually, the alarm's not very loud. So yeah, you got 3 alarms. And your next function, each time you come out of the mode, it keeps going back to the timer. So this is countdown timer. So it's a 24-hour countdown timer. So if we press start, it's counting down from 24 hours. And you can stop it. and you can reset it. And if you want to put a different timing, you just press and hold the adjust button. So, like so, and when you've done that, press that, press start. I was counting down from 2 hours now. And you can stop and reset. The next function, where do we get to? Timer, stopwatch. So you can, stopwatch mode, 24-hour stopwatch. Press the start. Doing the 1/100th of a second. And the seconds, hours and minutes. You can do split time. And get the second runner's reading. And to reset, press the adjust button. So it's got quite a good lot of features on this watch. I think stopwatch, hand set. I actually did set the hands when I started this review, before I started this review, because the time was on 6:30 and it was in the way of the digital window. So, and another feature, if you press and hold, where is it? You should have 12 and 24-hour mode. Let's have a look. What's going on here? What's going on with this? Oh, I see, I'm in the wrong. That's better. I'm on time and date. Right, hit the adjust button. I'm on time and date. Hit that. And that's your 12 and 24-hour mode. So it's on PM there, 7:49 PM. Then you're on military time. So, and the light button, I'll switch this light off and test the light. It's got some lume on the hands. There's the light, just illuminates the analog dial there with the two LEDs. So that's quite effective, just to see the time. So yeah, that's my review of the Casio aw80 1a2ves. So well, I'll just put it on my wrist. Put it on my wrist and let you see. So it's quite a small watch. It's very light. Very light watch. It's quite slim profile. Not going to be too obtrusive. So yeah. So that concludes my review. So thanks for watching. Till next time.